How long have you had it?
23 years.
It's nice to see it still running.
Oh yeah.
A lot of these get cut up so badly.
Yep.
Did you drive it down far?
Yeah, I moved here from Long Island 8 years ago when I drove it here.
Oh wow.
I drove this car all over the place. This is my wife's car.
Okay.
This is a 31 standard coupe. I have a 30 town sedan.
Okay.
The town sedan has been from Asheville, North Carolina, all the way up to Maine.
Oh, you got some good miles on that then.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful car.
Thank you. It's a 200 cubic inch, 40 horsepower engine.
Oh wow. What's it put out? Like 60 horsepower?
40.
40?
40 horsepower.
That's cool.
It'll do about 60 miles an hour.
That's all you need? Leisurely drive?
I've had this up to 75 miles an hour, but
I'm sure that's an experience.
well, you know what? It's got mechanical brakes, so
Yeah.
you don't want to go too fast.
No.
You want to be able to stop.
And you say it's 98% original?
Yeah.
That's
The only thing that's not original on this car is I have a temperature gauge
Okay.
and I have an alternator. I took the generator off.
We probably got a little hard trying to find and refurbish those, right?
Yeah. Well, like I said, there's companies that remanufacture the parts for this car.
That's good.
What I got to do next week, I got to rebuild the shock links
Okay.
on this car. I got all the parts. I deal with a place in Maryland, and yeah.
I like the fact that you can still get the parts made.
Oh, yeah. I mean, you can get fenders, doors, hoods, just about everything for this car.
It still uses the original fuel tank up front?
Yeah, yep.
Wow. Nice to see it.
That's the fuel shut off there. It's gravity fed into the carburetor.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, aluminum ones. I've
Yeah.
seen aluminum. They
Yeah.
must be aftermarket, maybe.
They're all aftermarket. They didn't come with a heater. Yeah. But I mean, I've driven this car when it's 6 degrees outside.
Wow.
You get some residual heat from the engine. Yeah.
I'm sure you've probably taken it to Hershey by now.
Oh. I used to travel with Hershey to Long Island.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. Not with my modern car.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm in the Hershey region now.
It's a nice experience in this area. There's a lot of different things. So.
This is people don't even look at this. That's an original gas ration sticker from World War II.
Oh wow! I wouldn't even know what that was.
Gas ration. Wow.
Gas ration sticker.
What did the A stand for? August?
A was an everyday person.
Okay.
Oh,
You were only
okay.
allowed. You were only allowed. I think 10 gallons of gasoline a week.
Okay. Because I know if you had a pickup back then, you had a different ratio.
Yeah, well, if
That's
you did
why-
a different job, if you
Yeah.
had a different job. And it says on the inside here, to save tires, drive under 35 miles an hour. And then it says, share your car, check oil pressure weekly, stop, start, turn slowly, cross switch tires regularly, and the last thing is this trip necessary?
Yeah.
Because they wanted to save the gas
Right,
and the rubber.
Yeah.
Gas and rubber. Right. And what's the transmission? 3-speed?
3-speed.
H pattern?
Yeah.